Right, so we've got an iPod Touch 5th gen. Been waiting for a while for these. Okay, this one's already been done. Okay, so these slot in and then go down. Okay, let's flick over to the microscope. Right, let's hold that there.
The copy on this computer doesn't have it installed, so it has to download it.
Okay. Right, let's go back and hold this down.
Have you seen how bendy the new iPad Pro is?
I did see Jerry Riggs like snap one in half. The guy's a beast though, you know what I mean? He could probably snap any device in half, just not really a...
Yeah, but the thing is though, if you look at his thumbs, he's not even putting that much pressure. It's not like his thumbs are turning red or anything like that.
And if you grab it in between your hands and twist, it's going to get bent.
Yeah.
That's one thing we know. I like Jerry Riggs, but his
tests are unrealistic, but at the same time.
Yeah, they're amusing, they're entertaining. Yeah, I don't know what this stuff is that Apple put over it, but it's so brittle. Got my fingers out of the way. Turns out it never was a battery. Let's plug this in and see what happens. Oh, so it's just a dead battery, which is unusual. Let's see it boot. Okay, test. There you go. So it's got touch. Have you attached the aerial properly?
You're the one that attached
No, not that aerial, you penai. I know I attached them to the board. I mean, did you attach them to the housing properly? Anyway, stop distracting me. The last time you distracted me, I didn't change the camera and I was filming bloody the floor for God knows how long. Okay, I'll have a look at it in 2 seconds. Right, let me finish up the stream. Right, it's got all the screws back in it. You can see that it is charging. Probably not very well with this cable, but we're going to leave that on the side there. It's got all of its touch. I'm going to leave that there for this stream. That's an iPod 6th gen battery change. We'll be back in 2 seconds.